What the HELOC is a home equity line of credit. Find out as we make sense of your finances. A home equity line of credit, also known as a HELOC, is a line of credit that gives you access to cash based on the value of your home. You borrow against the equity in your home, which is your home's value, minus the amount you owe on your mortgage. A HELOC acts as a revolving source of funds, much like a credit card, where payments made on HELOC debt restores your total available credit line. Because the loan is secured against the equity value of your home, HELOCs often offer extremely competitive interest rates. This feature makes them a great source of value for homeowners looking to renovate or make any large purchase. However, there is a downside to using your home as collateral. Home equity lenders place a second lien on your home, giving them rights to your home along with the first mortgage lien if you fail to make payments. The more you borrow against your home, the more you're putting yourself at risk.